Can you advise me on how to learn HTML5 and CSS3?
Reading the code might be a fair starting point, especially if you already know HTML. HTML is easy to learn and can be picked up in a few days of study.
That's why every failing artist is a web designer today. Is that where I can download sample HTML5 code?
You could do a search for that and get results like HTML5 tutorials. You could look for a site written in HTML5 and download sample code, but that's harder to tell.
Yeah, I don't think they post we're upgraded to HTML5, though it is easy to tell which sites have Java and JavaScript when they error out.
One way to tell is to look at the cascading style sheet.
That's CSS.
CSS3 has several different modules to add capabilities or new features CSS2 doesn't have. If the browser isn't HTML5, it turns off the modules and shows you just the CSS2 compatible elements.
HTML5 is supposed to be similarly smart, rendering itself in a lower-tech way if the browser can't handle it.
Sure, even if you just have a window of text that would have been normal in 1999.
What is the best way to learn about CSS3?
You could read the reports of the CSS Working Group, the group that devises and updates CSS.
That's a great cure for insomnia, but otherwise too much.
There are plenty of idiots and dummies books on CSS and HTML that are updated every time the standards are.
That's a guaranteed source of work for at least a few writers.
And it is a good source of information for readers, like you.
Is HTML5 always CSS3 compatible?
A browser that is good for one is supposed to be good for the other. However, you may need CSS hacks like defining borders and handling models to get it to work right.
Compared to trying to get Silverlight or Adobe Flash to work right without endless updates and plugins, that is easy.